Welcome to 19 Golden Spur Lane. Located right here in the heart of Rancho Palos Verdes, it's a very special home and just built. So let's go inside. So welcome home. Take a look at this magnificent chef's kitchen. It comes with a 6-burner stove, all Thermador appliances, and I just love the technique on this wonderful refrigerator. See, all you have to do is touch it and it opens on its own. With plenty of room for entertaining, you're just going to love being here at home. Actually, you may not even want to leave. Let's go take a look at the view. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful home. And to get your own personal showing, make sure to give me a call at the number below. I'm Clara Duran-Reed with the Duran-Reed Firm Realtors, and I'm happy to help you. And if you're considering selling your home, please give me a call. We offer some wonderful concierge services, and we do have a relocation service to help you all across the United States.